How do you cut rough sawn lumber to size when neither edge is straight enough to ride up against a table saw fence? Here's a shop tip from Wood Magazine to show you how to do it. The answer is this MDF sled. One edge rides up against the fence. The other edge just sits inside the table saw blade. And I'll take the piece that I'd like to straight edge on and allow it to overhang here. So to get it to stick on there, I'm just going to use a couple pieces of double-faced tape. If this piece were a little bit more uneven, you could use hot melt glue in place of the tape, or maybe even a couple of screws through the waist part of it to hold it onto the carrier board. And I'm going to allow this material to come out over the edge of the carrier board. And since I know this part rides against the fence, this edge will be trimmed off perfectly. I've taken off the minimal amount of material, so I've created a nice straight edge on this end. And now when I remove this from the carrier board, the straight edge I established up against my fence will allow me to move this to cut it to any width that I'm interested in. This works really well. Great straight edge on something that didn't have one before.